Hello, good morning. I'm Gregory Gufan presenting my Project 3. As explained in the requirement document, the first one was to be able to build a menu that looked like our Pinocchio pizza and sub menu, whereby we have items, we can have toppings, and we have add-ons. And items have small and large price. Add-on, they only have one price, and the topping, I made it to be only one price. As we can see here, we have the same interface where we are able to add items, sub items, and then each of them can be added to the cart. And down there you can select also a topping, and you can choose also some add-ons like pasta and salad. Okay, the second requirement was to be able to add from the admin interface, being able to add some items to our items. Okay, in the Sicilian pizza, I will add item three items, and I'll also add another topping. Yeah, what I will add will have a small and large price, and for the add-on in salad, I will also add another one just to explain how they work on the admin interface. So if I go to the admin interface connected with my account, the admin one, I go to menu. For menu, then I can go to the Sicilian pizza. I will share the screen just to Sicilian pizza. I will add item 3, and okay, then I add the version. Version is just about the pricing. So this one for the small, and this one for the large, and it is sizable. Press save. It's okay for Sicilian topping. I will add onion. Okay, I will do the topping. With any prices. Okay, then the last one to salad. I will add, say if I go to salad in our Pinocchio pizza and sauce, if I go to salad here, what do I have? I will add antipasto. Mm. So menu, salad, antipasto with its price 8 wine 25 saved. Then if I go to my menu and I refresh the page, I'll see how it updated. At item 3, I have it here with its small and large price, and the salad, I have my antipasto. Oh, sorry, I've added them. And here in topping you can see onion with 1.5, so it's okay. We're able to, I can add item, I can remove them. So if I go to any of them from the, like for instance this error I made, I can go and remove one line in salad. You just have to remove one from the interface, delete, then it will just go away. as you can see. Mhm. So the next requirement was to build a login, registration, login and logout. You, as you have here, registration, login and logout. So now I'm connected with Gregory account. I can log out, so no longer connected. If I refresh the page or I try to go to the main page, it will direct me automatically here. If I don't have any account, I can register a new account by saying by saying seeing password, anyone that please you, by saying Mubike family. Okay, save it. As I save, I'm directly connected to Wilson account where you can see all the menu, you can see all of them, and now he can add them to the cart. So this brings us to the next requirement, which is to make any customer being able to add items to the cart. Here I'll add this one and I'll just put the quantity, let's say two small. I'll still press this one and go to one big, then I will choose salad. I will choose one, no, not this one, salad, and just the one I've added. I put okay, let's see one. And down there, the topping mushroom, I'll put four. So when I put them, they will just update here. This will show my cart and the total amount of all the elements I've added in my cart. When I press on them, I have my cart. I can edit one. Let's say this one for the topping, I didn't want to take four, I only wanted three, so I can update it and then it goes to three. And if maybe I didn't want to, okay, let me go back, add any Sicilian, it was too expensive to take this one. And I said, okay, I don't have that amount, and then I can delete it. What's going on? I can just remove one of them, change from it. See, it prompts me if whether I want to delete it yet or not. I've used a modal and it removed it from the cart and it just vanished. So very well implementation of carts. Also, the next thing was to give the possibility for the customer to place the order. So once I finish and I'm okay with the element in my shopping cart, I can press on placing the order and it prompts me with the total and whether I'm sure that I want to place the order. When I press OK, it says that the order has been successfully placed and it will empty the cart element and direct me to the order list parts. As I can see with this my personal touch, which takes status in consideration. I can go back to menu and so with Weston can see his order and he can see that they are pending. Now for the personal touch, I will connect with the admin interface, the admin user, which is Gregory. Mhm. Gregory can see all the order, and as you can see, it sees all the pending order with order by date. So when I press only on the first one and I remove the complete all, it will complete only that item, not all the items of the order. Each order has a reference. As you can see here, all of them are 0001 reference. If I refresh here, only okay. Mm-hmm. So as I was saying, when you press on complete from the admin interface, when very soon refresh his other list, you can see that one of them goes to complete. If I want to, like, there are three remaining um, items in the order list which are still pending. So when I press on any of them and I leave check the complete all, sorry for the spelling, and I press complete, it will just complete, it will do a bulk complete. So when I refresh here, I will see that all of them are completed. Sorry, let me just try again. Mhm. Now the bug is fixed. So now when I press in any of the pending, the still pending item of the order, of the same order, because each order and the order is referenced by its own reference. So complete all, and when I press complete, send me a complete message and all the status goes to complete. And if you are seeing which is a customer refresh, you will see that is orders are being is now completed. So he can go back to the main menu. His cart is empty. Actually, it's only the order that was completed, so everything is good.